This video is to show you how to test an email campaign and send a test to the client for approval. And we also want to schedule the campaign. So the email campaign that we're going to test today is the Mexican restaurant Space Cantina. So we're going to click on that. Once you log in, sorry, I missed a step. Once you log in, you're going to go into the dashboard, and then you're going to find the campaign that you want to test. You're going to click on that campaign, and it's going to open up into the campaigns page. So what we want to do, the email has already been completed. What we're going to do is we're going to send a quick test. In this case, we're going to send it to myself, because it's going to be just easiest to show you if I send it to myself. So I'm sending it to myself, and I'm putting here a note. It allows you to click here to add instructions to whomever you're sending it for a test. So we're going to pretend that I'm the client, and I put, "Hi Victoria, please let me know if approved. Next we need to know what lists." So I'm going to send the test, and it should arrive in my email box. Let's pretend that it already arrived, and I'm going to click on it. And this was this is a separate one here. Let's pretend that this is the one that I sent myself. Okay, and it'll come in, and it'll have the message from us there. Please let me know if approved. In this case, our client already approved. He said good to go, so that's what we need. And what we're going to do is, once it's approved by the client in writing, then we can go ahead and schedule to send. What you want to be sure to schedule to send is that we have the right list that we want to send it to. In this case, it's DTLA, downtown LA to Ventura and downtown LA. So the answer, those are the correct lists. And what we're going to do is schedule to send the email. So we're going to send it. You can start sending it now, like right now. We don't want to do that. We want to schedule to send it tomorrow morning. So you're going to say, and it's send one time. We're not going to do a recurring schedule. So start sending on this date and time. So we're going to schedule it for tomorrow morning, and this is always Eastern time. So tomorrow morning at let's see, we're sending it. This is going to be going to folks in California, so you want to know where exactly it is that you're sending it. So we're sending it to folks in California. California is 3 hours behind Eastern Standard Time. So what we're going to do is make sure that we send it at about 6 a.m. Their time. So 6 a.m. their time is 9 a.m. our time. The reason why we're sending it so early is because people in California, because they are 3 hours behind the East Coast, they get up earlier, and they usually get up at the East Coast time. So 6 a.m. is a fine time to send it to them. So we're going to schedule it for tomorrow. In this case, today's the 20th, so I'm scheduling it out for tomorrow at 9:07 a.m. Schedule and send. So just to review, and now you can see that this is grayed out, and it gives you the option to stop the send. You usually have about 5 minutes if you're sending it right away to stop the send. In this case, we have it scheduled it out for tomorrow, send on September 21st. There's no reason to stop the send, but in case you realize that you made a mistake or you want to review it again, you can just simply stop send. And it's going to ask you, are you sure you would like to stop the email campaign? And then you click OK. Just to reschedule it, what you're going to do is just schedule and send like we did the original time. Do you send one time? Do you want to send it now? No, we want to send it on this date and time. And then you pick the date from here, the time from here. Okay? September 21st, 2017, 9:07 a.m. That's when I want to send it. And there you go. That's it. So now we know how to schedule and send, and how to do a test. Just to review, send quick test. Lets you review the test. You can add the email address of the person here. And then you can add instructions or a personal message. You type it in here and you click send test. To schedule and send, you're going to come to the campaigns page, schedule and send, and it pops up to put the date and the time. Okay? Thank you. Bye-bye.